Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to fix ChatGPT error generating response. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. Now one reason might be the ChatGPT server is down, but here are a few steps that might help to solve the issue. So first you can try using a different browser, as there might be a problem with your browser you're on. Also you can try clearing the cache, as this might sometimes help resolve issues like this. Then the next thing you'll need to do is to check the OpenAI status page at status.openai.com to see if there are any reported outages or ongoing maintenance that might be causing the error. The next thing you'll need to do is to check if your internet connection is stable. If not, you need to give it a little break and try again or restart your router. Then you can reload your browser, and if this doesn't work, try rebooting your computer or mobile device. If none of these works, you might have to contact their help center for assistance. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.